Sairam to all the viewers. Today I am going to share the video of preparation of sagu. This curry is very good combination for puri. Please enjoy it. Ingredients are onions, mirchi, potato, carrot, cauliflower and beans. Cut all the veggies to pieces. Let's start our preparation. Take oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, jeera, and add onions and chilli. Add curry leaves and fry a little bit. After that, add salt and turmeric powder and mix it well. After that, add potato pieces, carrot pieces and fry it. After that, add cauliflower, then beans and mix it well. Close it with a lid and simmer it. After that, take 2 spoons of basin powder and 2 spoons of cornflour. Mix it well with water and see to that there are no lumps, and add this batter to the vegetables fried. If you want, pour little more water and make it a good consistency. After that, add garam masala powder and boil it for some time. Now our sagu is ready to be served. You should get this much consistency and have this curry with puri or chapati, and we made puri for this curry. We enjoyed it. If you like the curry, please make it and enjoy it, and if you like it, please comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.